We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at Studio Apartment 214. This is a north rectangle style apartment on floor 2 of the 6th floor building. As you go in, the kitchen is on the left, as it is in all of these even number north rectangle style apartments. It's the same kitchen we've seen in the other apartments with the refrigerator, stove, oven, dishwasher, microwave, sink, some cabinets and drawers. We'll pass by the closet on our left-hand side over here. So let's take a quick look in there. Just a regular closet with some hanging space and some storage space in here. Here's the main part of the room, but let's take a look into the bathroom, which is over here. Okay, our bathroom will have the full-size tub shower. There's the vanity, there's a toilet, and medicine cabinet. Here in the room, we'll always be furnished with a dresser, the desk and chair, a bookshelf, a dining table and chair, and a full-size bed. You can see the air conditioner under the window. You can see the heater over here on the wall. Let's take a look out the window. So we're on Dryden Road. This is the north side of the building, or the street side. So this is our great people watching views here in Central Collegetown. This style of apartment will be on floors 2 through 6. The same style of apartment will be units 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 on the north side of the building. They're all the same layout, but we want to show you some different ways of setting up the furniture and also some of the different views from the different areas of the floor. So we're in Collegetown Center, apartment number 214, a regular north rectangle. The building is located at 151 Dryden Road, and we are just 1 block from campus.